Good morning, friends. So let's see what today I have. Hope you all are well aware and you have gone to my older videos also, where I have, started talking on types of a store or types of retail business or types of retail store in the world, correct? Everywhere. And a lot of video I have uploaded for this subject. And still a few more videos will come. And today also we are going to have something very different kind of understanding, correct? And see, you may have one more question why I'm sharing this much, deep detailing about the types of a store and all the thing. Because I'll tell you one thing. Suppose when you are thinking to start the business, correct? So exactly what kind of business you can do, isn't it? We know that we can open a medical shop, or we can open a shoe shop, or we can open a clothing material and other thing. A lot of things your mind can say, but exactly what are the things we can do and what are the options are having, correct? So till now I have talked about many categories. So today also one kind of a new category for this topic. So let's see what's going to be. Okay, so these are the category where I have added in this video series. So I have started with food and beverages, fashion and accessories, hobbies and interest, religion and belief, home and living, unique experiential store, health and wellness, area specific like city, state and country wise, electronic and technology, sports and outdoors, and services. And then if you think that something I have left, you can just comment in the chat box and definitely we'll do the needful. Guys, remember, this is not the only category what you have in the world. There are many things. There are many things, many things. Uh, Sometime it won't come in a mind also, but when you're traveling, when you're talking with the people, and when you have a different kind of a group, correct? And you can have that idea what you should do, correct? So I'll share one thing here which will make you to understand more. See, suppose you thought of that, let's open a one clothing store, correct? Maybe for the baby, either woman or for gents, anyone. But after opening the store, you're not getting the customer, or you are not able to run the business, and after a few months, you decided my business is in loss, I should close the store, correct? This is what happens. So to keep this in mind, I have uploaded one more video on my channel. You can go to the video list. There I have mentioned how to earn the profit for next 100 years. So when you see this video, you will understand. Yes, of course, there are a lot of factors that I should take care of. See, the factor related to balance sheet only will not make you stronger. There are a lot of variables which are under control, and some variables are not under control. Correct? You cannot hold them. So what you should do? So that video you must see, and you will understand what need to be done. Okay. Remember this, whenever you are thinking about any category, just to open the store and all the thing, have a mix of product, have a mix of category. At least minimum one you can have, or one or three different option you can add for your video. Suppose you are very much interested to open a clothing store, correct? So in the clothing store, what are the two more things you can add? Correct. It can be food and beverages, health and wellness, services, sports, outdoor, electronic and technology. You have to see based on your regional requirement, city requirement, talukas requirement, village requirement, anywhere. So this video will help to everyone. So अभी मैं आपको यही बता रहा था. So whatever I said in English, I'm just going to talk in Hindi, nothing else. In a very short things. See, आपको पता है कि मैंने बहुत सारा वीडियो अपलोड किया है रिटेल बिजनेस से संबंधित कि कितने प्रकार के स्टोर होते हैं, कितने प्रकार के रिटेल बिजनेस होते हैं, और उससे आपको बहुत सारा आइडिया आ जाएगा कि कौन सा स्टोर हम ओपन कर सकते हैं, करेक्ट? इसके अलावा आपको ये भी पता चलेगा कि पर्टिकुलर एक कैटेगरी में कितने प्रकार के स्टोर होते हैं, करेक्ट? फिर कितने कैटेगरी को हम साथ में लेके चल सकते हैं, ये सब चीजें पता चलेगी. लेकिन आप एक बात और याद रखिएगा कि हो सकता है कि आपको लगे आपने स्टोर ओपन कर लिया है और 2-3 महीने बाद प्रॉफिट ना हो और आप क्लोज करने के बारे में सोचें। करेक्ट। तो इस बात का भी मैंने ख्याल रखा है। सो मेरा रिक्वेस्ट होगा कि आप मेरा एक वीडियो है जिसमें मैंने बात किया है कि 100 साल तक प्रॉफिट कैसे कमाएं। तो उसमें बहुत छोटी छोटी बातों को मैंने बताया है, नॉट बहुत बड़े लेवल पे, लेकिन वो छोटी बातें आपको कोई बताएगा नहीं। नोबडी विल टेल यू। आप वो सिर्फ अपने एक्सपीरियंस बेस पे ही सीख सकते हैं। तो आप उस वीडियो को जरूर देखें और चीजों को समझें। एक बात या एक और बात याद रखिएगा जो कि मैं अपने हर वीडियो में बोलता हूँ। नेवर थिंक अबाउट लाइक यू इफ यू ओपन द स्टोर फॉर द 2 to 3 months your store will start running. No. Please make sure at least you should have a capability or capacity to go up to 2 to 3 years. So then only you can stand in the market. Otherwise, competitions are there. They will make you down. Yes, and you will be not able to stand, and you will lose the business. Correct. So I'll share one more thing. I think this video is going to be a bit longer, but I'll try to finish it as soon as possible. Yesterday, I just had a discussion with my one of my friend, a very senior person, and he's there in the industry from last 20 years. So he was telling me why you are not getting a manpower for this store, okay, or manpower for your organization, and then suddenly you'll get the information that 1,000 people had been removed from the organization, laid off, and all the things comes. So this is strategy. Remember this. That suppose I have one brand and you are a startup. So what I will do, I'll be keep on recruiting people. So you will not get the manpower at all in the market. So you'll be not able to survive. So the bigger companies are having that different kind of strategy where they run on their own things. I'm not saying this is the strategy also. And because it sounds very bad when you say that companies are doing this thing that. But how you will stand in the competition? When you have hired 2,000 people, why you are removing 2,000 people? Or why you are removing 500 people? What was the reason that you didn't had a thought? Correct. So there are a lot of things. So that's what I say. Whenever you are starting your business, at least you should have a capital word of, uh, at least for the 2 to 3 years. You should not go for the 6 month business, 3 month business. Nothing will happen. You may face lot of challenges. And of course, when you are just a new person, you don't know about the business and all the thing. Try to have a good group where you can get a franchisee, where you can get a your family business support and all the things. Okay. So a lot of gyan I have given in the beginning. Uh, okay, let's move. So today we are talking about home and living. Now you have understood कि today's why video is becoming longer. Correct. So home and living means what? Just let's understand. Anything which required to run the home. Anything. Remember this? Anything. Suppose in home, what are the things you have? Home is like your universe. Correct. Home, house, dream home. Correct. Uh, you feel peace whenever you come to home. I'll share my experience whenever I'm traveling and I'm just staying in a hotel, very good hotel, all comfortness, everything based on a need, based on your choices and all the thing. You see, your choice can be different, my choice can be different. But as per my understanding, but you won't feel comfortness like home at all. Though the hotel bed will be very soft, you just call and the food will be available and all the things. But the home is home. Trust. And one more, whenever you are going to your relative house also, you'll be not comfortable until unless they are not a blood relative. Even though also you'll feel a discomfort. The moment you'll come to your home, you feel peaceful life. You feel like, oh, wow, I came to my home. Correct? So, inside the home, what are the things you have? You have a kitchen, you have a bathroom, you have a toilet, you have a living area, correct? Where you sit chit chat, correct? You watch TV, you have a book corner to read the book, correct? You have a bed, correct? You have a storage, correct? Many things. If I'll talk, it will go beyond something, correct? And the video again will become bigger. So you hope you have understood what I'm talking about, correct? You can have a temple, correct? So I'm from India, so I believe in temple, then I believe in masjid, then I believe in Gurudwara, church, and all the things. Very common in India. If you go to any city, any location, you'll find these four different things, but they need also the support, correct? So what other store will come like a home decor store? How you design, how you show your home. You are a very premium or you are a normal, correct? Like lot of things you need. Furniture store, home improvement store, garden center nursery, kitchenware store, bed and bath store, lighting store, textile store like fabric, curtain, bedding, correct? Then storage solution store, interior design store. See, big thing. This is the biggest, one of the premium industry in our country, not in my country, even in the world, everywhere. Home fragrance store. You cannot avoid this. Such a nice thing, correct? Art decor gallery store. Again, wow. And then antique vintage home store, smart home store, outdoor furniture, BBQ grill store, pool spa store, home security store. Very important nowadays, correct? You need a CCTV and all the things. Organization is storage store. So this is also window treatment store. So whatever I'm talking this is not only for the home. Wherever humans are staying, wherever humans are involved, they need these all the things. Correct. Now, fireplace store, home theater store, pet home store. Yes, very big industry. Sustainable home store, custom home store, home automation store. Home automation is now the new things from last 10 to 15 years. Like it will connect your AI and a digital together. You can control your home door, home AC, home lighting, and a lot of things, correct? Furniture restoration store, interior painting store, home stacking store, luxury home store. Yes, luxury. So suppose if I'm talking about the home theater store, it can be premium, it can be normal home theater, it can be premium home theater, it can be luxury home theater, it can be premium luxury home theater, and it can be a quite luxury also. So there are a lot of things, correct? You can create a standard. Then outdoor living store, garden decor store, home textile store, kitchen appliance store, small appliances store, home office store, correct? Then we have a bedding store. This is the biggest one and huge investment, correct? Bath store, lighting fixture store, ceiling fan store, outdoor lighting store, security system store, smart lock store. Yes, है ना? Home network store, home entertainment store, gaming chair store, home bar store. Yes. Don't think the bars are only in the market. You can have your own small bar in the home also. So this again shows your status, what kind of person you are, correct? Wine cellar store, cigar store, cigar. Uh, it was premium, it is premium, and it will be premium. Remember this. Home spa store, home gym store, yoga studio store, correct? Now you don't get confused. Home gym and gym, so both are same, but you are keeping a gym equipment inside your home also because you don't have a time, you don't want to go outside to do the exercise and all the things. Then meditation room store, home library store, reading nook store. What is nook? It's a corner for the your reading habit and comfort zone, nothing else. So right now I'm sitting in my home. I have my reading zone where I'm recording this video, correct? Then home cinema store, outdoor cinema store, backyard oasis store, landscape design store, outdoor decor store, garden decor store, plant store, flower arranging store, florist store, greenhouse store, and nursery store. Correct. Then we have a garden center store, outdoor living store, backyard oasis. What is backyard? So it's like a courtyard. correct? You are designing your hotel where you can have a, lotus, kind of flower in the water, pool, then sitting area and all the things. So this is also kind of premium luxury kind of feeling. And then patio store, then deck store, fence store, outdoor furniture store, grill store, BBQ store, outdoor cooking store, fire pit store, outdoor heater store, and solar panel stores. So, guys, there are many things which I can add. Correct. So, when you see this video from the beginning, you will understand, oh my God, I can do lot of things. See, when you thinking is starting, about the business, this business I'll do, I'll earn the profit. The better you have to do, the more deep research, and then you should decide. Correct. I'll tell you one thing. If you want to do any exercise, any business, or you want to plan anything, correct? Take that topic and go deep down. Talk to at least 5 to 6 people. Suppose you got a business idea, you want to have a pen manufacturing unit or nail polish manufacturing unit. Okay, you have that interest. Now you need to think what are the material you need, correct? Who are competitor for material? Then uh, is this good that if I'll do this business, then how many years this business will survive? Who are the competitor in the business, not only in the material segment, correct? Then whether I'll get a rent less or I can buy my land for this, how to get a manpower, what could be the, incidental things, my liability will be under control or not, correct? My assets. So a lot of things you need to see. And one more thing, whenever you are thinking about any business, suppose you don't have any knowledge, you just ask to YouTube and what is balance sheet and tell me what are the important things in business. You will get a lot of video. Trust me, and you can trust. Though, see, I'll tell you, when it comes to education, okay, when it comes to something sharing a knowledge, how I am doing. Trust me, we are not giving any wrong information. So whoever is a professor, either knowledgeable person on YouTube, they will never give you the wrong information because we are not selling anything in our video, correct? We are just sharing a knowledge. And if you watch my video, what will happen maximum? My channel will get growth, correct? And there are chances maybe the channel will give me some kind of a bug, correct? So that too depend on how it goes. But trust me, sharing information is very important to everyone. And grabbing information is also very important, correct? So sharing and grabbing both are different things. It's like that you want to learn something. Either take from my side, I want to learn something, but I'm not interested. Now I am interested to learn something, but the topic is not visible, not available. I'm not getting source, correct? So these are the things which I'm sharing from my desk. So आप समझने की कोशिश कीजिए कि बहुत सारे प्रकार के प्रोडक्ट हो सकते हैं ह्यूमन लिविंग से संबंधित, बहुत सारे प्रकार के स्टोर। तो आप जब भी ह्यूमन लिविंग का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करें तो कोशिश कीजिए कि 2-3 प्रोडक्ट एक साथ रखें, ज़्यादा मत रखें, कोई फायदा नहीं है। बिकॉज़ you are a new person and or maybe you are an old person, you should know that how much control you can have, correct? So this is from my thank you. Thank you for watching my video and please like and subscribe my channel and if it's possible share with your friends and family. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही and I will come back again with the new video. Thank you.